Hey, this is Chan, and check it out. I got a second order from Hobonichi. I'm so crazy. Okay, so the story is, on the 10th of September, I got my first Hobonichi order from the 2019 store, and that night I had a dream about Hobonichi stuff. I'm so crazy, I swear. I don't have like sexy dreams about like hot dudes and hot women or anything. I have dreams about stationery, right? This is how lame I am. But anyways, I had a dream about Hobonichi stuff on the night of the 10th. And then on the 11th, the night of the 11th, I bought more stuff. I'm totally crazy. One of the things I dreamt about was sword check. But I forgot how much it was. When I was dreaming, I forgot how much it was because the price was actually over $70 for the A6, which was just way too expensive. I didn't love it enough to buy it, so I bought a different cover for myself, and that's what's in here. So as you guys have probably already seen from other Hobonichi haul videos, the new box for 2019 is this beautiful bright orange color. It doesn't really read properly on my camera there, but it's awesome bright orange. It's so cheerful, I love it. And then it's got this awesome print on it. 20th anniversary there. And those characters there actually say Hobonichi. Right there. And then the side of it has this awesome little banner image with the Hobonichi little mascot. And he's a little monkey. And so this says Hobonichi 20th anniversary there. Right? And then the other side says Hobonichi Techo 2019, like the front. And then this side has the 1101.com, right? So it's really, really fun box. I just love looking at this thing. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. So this says, don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish? Your hope is that salt. I love that quote. I love that quote. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing now. Woo! Woo! Alright, so I went for it. I went for the Souvenir Alaska handkerchief. I really didn't think I was going to buy this, but I bought this because... there it is! I bought the Souvenir Alaska cover. Awesome! Honestly, this one, when I first saw the lineup, I thought this one looked interesting, but I didn't think I was going to go for it, right? But it's one of those covers that just totally grew on me as I kept looking at the website. That happens to me every year with Hobonichi. As I look at stuff, over time, things grow on me, and then I just feel like I gotta have them. So that's what happened with this Souvenir Alaska cover. I love the way it looks. I just think it looks so... it's so eye-catching to me. And even when I was looking at Hobonichi stuff on Etsy, when I would see the thumbnails with a bunch of covers in one thumbnail, you know, my eye kept getting drawn to this cover. So that's why I wanted to pick this one up. So I was thinking that if I got this cover, I should totally get the matching handkerchief, right? Because I want to wear this on my head when I'm journaling with this cover. So I can coordinate with my journal, because that's, I mean, how awesome would that be? I mean, that kind of shows like this crazy love and obsession with journaling, right? If you want to coordinate with your journal, right? So I just thought that would be so awesome to be able to wear something that actually matches the cover. That's so cool, right? All right, let's open these up. So this comes like this in a bag. All right, nice. Okay, ooh, nice. What is this little thing here? Is this a little sticker? Oh, it's a sticker. This is written in Japanese, but I'm pretty sure on the website it's 100% cotton. Ooh. See, I want to wear this on my head when I'm journaling. Or, I was thinking, I don't know if this is going to work, but I was thinking maybe I can fold it up and put it on my wrist too. I want to wear it on my wrist like a little bracelet or something. I don't know. It's very nice. It's very nice. And there it says Alaska Hobonichi Techo. Shaking. I'm shaking because I'm so excited. This is awesome. I love it. I do. I really, I didn't think I was going to buy this. I really didn't, but I'm glad that I did. Eh? It's beautiful. All right. So there's a handkerchief. And then the cover, the magic cover. Awesome. Okay, so we got this navy blue interior, and then this lighter blue for the ribbons, and then the bookmarks are white. You see that? Very nice. And then we got the little live book card thingy, and that. And then the Hobonichi logo right there. And then inside there should be a little print there. Right? And I love how they picked, well, they used the same colors as the border on the handkerchief, right? So they've got this yellow and purple border on the handkerchief, and then they used those same colors on the pen loops there. I just thought that was such a nice touch. And it's kind of unexpected, I thought, to also pick the purple and the yellow, because they've got the dark blue, the white, and the green, and the light blue, right? And then suddenly they have purple and yellow. I just thought that was a nice little unexpected choice there. And then I love how the back cover looks like this, how you've got the scalloped border on the edge of the pocket. I just think that looks great, eh? I just think that looks great, eh? You got the little scallop part there too. I love the way that looks. Like, just kept catching my eye, the scallop border on this one. And how the print itself, it just makes it look really intricate, even though it's like one print. It's not, I mean, it's just one layer of fabric, you know, but it just looks so intricate, eh? And I did buy the clear cover on cover for this, even though I think that the style of this cover, I mean, to be totally honest with you, when it comes to the clear covers, aside from the printed cover on covers, because they have some really nice designs for some of the printed cover on covers, right? Aside from the printed ones though, I tend to like the regular A6 and A5 covers without the clear cover, just because I think they look better, you know, instead of having like a shiny plastic layer on them. I think they look better without the clear cover, but I always have messy hands, so I just want to protect my investment, you know what I'm saying? And because this one has a white background, I just thought, I'm gonna get this dirty in no time, you know what I mean? So that's why I got the clear cover for it, even though I do think that this particular one looks great without the clear cover, because it has a sort of vintagey feel to this one, right? So I think it looks better without a clear cover, honestly, but I just think this one is gonna look really dirty very quickly if I don't protect it, just because I usually have ink on my hands, you know what I'm saying? So I got the clear cover for it. All right, I'm gonna set this up in another video, but you guys know what the clear cover looks like, right? The plain clear cover on cover has the zippy pocket in the back. Let me just open it so you can see. So the plain one has this opening. It's basically like a Ziploc, right? If you buy the printed cover on covers, they don't have the opening, but this one does have the opening so that you can access this here, right? I forgot to mention this in other videos, but because Hobonichi stopped giving the clear cover on cover as a freebie, because they used to give the A6 clear cover on cover as a freebie with certain covers, not all of them, but certain ones, right? So they used to give it as a freebie, but they stopped doing that with the 2019 lineup. And because of that, they lowered the price of this. So this is only like $1 something Canadian for the A6 size, eh? I just wanted to mention that in this video in case you're interested in getting one of those. Okay, what else did I get? This order is actually very small. I'll explain why in a moment. Woo! Okay, so with my A6 cover, I decided to get this, the A6 Techo as a set, because with this particular combination, you save a few bucks, right? If you buy the cover and the Techo together. So some of them, if you buy the cover with the Techo, you don't save any money, but with this particular combination, you do save a few dollars, just a little bit, right? So I decided I would get this to actually give to one of my relatives for his birthday, which is coming up, which is why I could not wait for the October 1st release from Hobonichi, because I want to order the Dorei Moon cover, right? But I didn't want to wait till then because I needed this sooner, right? So that's why I decided to place my order a little earlier, right? I got him this A6 Techo, thought he might like it. I'm not totally sure if he will, but I'm hoping he would like it because I was trying to recommend journaling to him just to, well, I was telling him about, you know, the benefits of it and how it's helped me a lot. So I think he might be kind of interested in this sort of thing, right? But he's a super minimalist type of dude. So that's why I didn't get him a cover, because I honestly don't think he would actually use the cover, because he just wouldn't have much use for the pockets and stuff. He just is very extremely minimalist. So that's why I just got him the Techo. But I also got him something else. I got him the pencil board as well. Let's see here. Ooh, got myself some stamps too. Why not, right? Okay. So stamps here. And then I got him this. This is the Mother 2 A6 size pencil board. I bought one for myself. Let me show you it. I don't want to open his, right? So this is what it looks like on the front. It's super cute. I love it. And he likes video games, so I thought he would like this. And then the back looks like this. Yeah? It's got the little Mother 2 there. A little character on the back. He's very cute. So I got him one of those. And then because I got the Techo for him, I got the free gift. So he's probably going to get this too. Although I might give this pen to my mom because it looks a little bit more feminine, right? I've got one of the yellow pens from last year still wrapped in the packaging, so maybe I'll give him the yellow pen. And I got myself some stamps. Okay, so these stamps I have resisted for quite some time because I just think they're so expensive, eh? But I like the stamps that I bought, the other ones, the Techo covers. So I thought I would get these too. Although the price is kind of out of whack on these ones. So this one is the stripe frame one. These have been on this in the store for a while, right? But I just never got them because I just thought they were too expensive. There's the stamp frame one. And then this one is called Memo. This one here, this cute one here is called Memo. This is what they look like. There you go. That's what they look like. They're really, really cute. But I have so many stamps from my card making and paper crafting days, right? When it comes to stamps, I really don't want to buy too many of them because I have so many already, right? But I do like these, and I decided to just cave and get them after I got the other Hobonichi stamps, and I like the other ones. So these are the other ones that are new for the 2019 store, right? I do love these ones, but what I don't really understand is the pricing because you can see here that it's not like these ones are way bigger than these ones, right? But these ones are more than twice the price of these ones. This one here, this memo one on the left, this one is more expensive than these two over here, the stamp frame and the stripe frame. And then all of these are like more than twice the price of these, so it's kind of weird, but you know, I like them. I think I'll get use out of them, right? So you can see here that the actual rubber part of the stamps, like the images on these ones are bigger, right? But still, I think the pricing is out of whack. You know, Hobonichi can get me by anything, right? I also got this. This is so crazy, I swear. I finally bought this. I wanted to buy this last year, but then they changed it to Japan only, so like, okay, fine, whatever, right? And then this year, they had it as Japan only at first, and then they changed it to shipping available for international shoppers, right? So I just thought, okay, finally I can get this thing, even though it's insane. I can't believe I bought this. This is a $20 ruler. It's like basically about $20 Canadian for this thing. I can't believe I bought this. It's only because of Hobonichi, honestly. So let's just see. This has Zero Mission on the front there. Oh, you can pick up on that. Zero Mission is the company that makes this. And I think you just, I'm not sure if you just open it like this. It's got a ribbon pull there. Ah, finally you are mine. This is the Melody Line ruler. It looks like a piano. Oh, it's got a little piece of foam in the box there. And this little, what's this? Zero Mission website address. Melody Line ruler. I can't believe I bought this. Seriously, no joke. Only Hobonichi can make me buy a $20 ruler, seriously. And this, it doesn't have numbers on it, as you can see, but these, each of these white keys is 1 centimeter wide. It is nice. It's nice. I don't know if it's really worth 20 bucks, to be honest with you, but it is nice. It looks interesting to me. It's kind of fun, you know? I honestly wouldn't spend $20 on this from any other store, but Hobonichi got me again. There it is there on the side. It does have a little bit of thickness to it. It is nicely constructed. It's nicely made. It's very clean looking. And very smooth. There you go. There's a Zero Mission Melody Line ruler. I can't believe I bought this, no joke. But I paid so much in shipping, so I was just like, I want to get, you know, a few things for myself, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright, so you have it, guys. My super small Hobonichi, y'all. It's very tame, this one. This one's a very tame order for me. But, you know, I'm going to be back on, like, September 30th to order more stuff from them. I'm so nuts, eh? So I know I didn't open the gifts on camera, but here they are here. You get the Not Scary Bear paperweight and the free pen here. And these characters say Hobonichi. I didn't know that before, right? But I looked it up on Google Translate and found that out. And so before, in my other video, my other haul video, I thought that these characters on the bear's bum or his name or something, I wasn't sure, right? But actually, those characters are the same characters. So this is Hobonichi on his bum there. Right? Very cute, eh? I love this little guy. He's very, very sweet. Creepy and sweet. So I hope you guys have been enjoying your orders too, if you've gotten your Hobonichi stuff, or if you're thinking about ordering. I'd love to know what you're thinking about getting, or if you have Hobonichi dreams like I do. I'm so crazy, I swear. Anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully catch you next time. Alright, bye!